guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, we are live in Asaba. I was actually driving past a community, then I saw that they're actually doing this iron condemn business. It's obvious you can actually sell your waste products at a particular amount. So I was quite surprised to see the kind of waste they actually buy here. I can see some basic plastic rubber like our chip containers and other things, and let us stop and interact with them to know how the business goes, so that you don't just throw away waste in your house just like that. You can as well sell for little amount and make some money. So I'll be interviewing one of them in a jiffy, and will be telling us more about the business. So let me speak with him. Bros, good afternoon. I've been at evening. So what's your name now?
Today, fine.
Okay. So at the past when I see you in a place, actually, I see some of they say scrap, iron condemn, which is good. Yeah. And as I reach, I never know before something about this small rubber self. I can't surprise when I see him. Okay. So tell us, where be this location over there?
Before after 74.
Okay, after 74. Okay, close to this campus for Asaba.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us, which kind of material now they buy?
We buy carton.
Carton?
Yeah, we buy iron.
Iron.
We buy aluminium.
Aluminium.
We buy campo.
Okay.
Rubbers.
Okay.
Everything.
I go look them very soon.
Everything
Make I just show them. Okay, I will show you guys very soon. Okay, tell us how much per kilo of these things when they buy?
Normally.
When they measure them in kilo now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carton is 15 naira.
A carton 15 naira.
Yes.
A kilo.
Yes.
Okay.
Rubber is 100 naira.
Rubber is 100 naira.
Yes.
Okay.
Iron is 200.
Iron 200 a kilo.
Yeah.
Okay.
With igbo.
Basically, that now the three category be that now.
Yeah.
Now they buy them, so that was good. Now you weigh them now.
Yeah. Any scrap.
This weighing scale.
Any scrap we buy any amount.
Any amount.
Yeah.
Okay. This is your weighing scale. The weight here.
Whether a trailer you carry am for 2 trailer come, then
okay.
We buy, give your money, you supply the goods for us.
Okay.
If you go fit do for us.
Okay. You fit take us go inside. We'll just look the things. Just show me an example of some of these things. As you can see, I can see where they are storing it. By the time they weigh and they sell out to those who take it to factory for recycling. Okay, I think we can enter inside here now. Maybe just show me. Maybe just show them some of the things. Hey, they cannot capture bros when they cook. Hold on. So let's get inside their store and see. As you can see, this is a bumper that is bad. Yeah, and you can see can malt and everything.
Can malt is 300 naira for kilo.
300 naira a kilo for can malt.
Yeah.
Ah, that's serious. Okay. So, all this aluminium, all this thing from zinc.
Yes, aluminium is 300.
Okay, 300 for aluminium. Yeah. This bath too, now they buy them. That's good though. It's okay.
Iron is something.
This bath now iron.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Zinc.
Zinc too.
Yeah.
That's good. It's alright. Thank you. What is now your name again?
My name is normally for Asaba, then they know me is Kolo Kolo.
Kolo Kolo.
Yes.
Okay, I will remember that one.
Never.
Remember that one. It's okay. Thank you, Kolo Kolo. I appreciate it. Any quantity.
Any scrap.
Any
whether
scrap.
4 trailer or any amount trailer.
Okay.
You can buy it.
All right, no problem. So guys, you've heard him and you've seen the scrap that they buy here, and you can as well, if you have your scrap, you can come and patronize them. And as of Kolo Kolo is my new friend in this place. So thank you very much, guys. We appreciate your love for the channel. Do well to click the subscribe button if you have seen this video and if you have not subscribed, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.